In today's digital age, the rise of hate speech on social media is a pressing concern. In this demo, we present a novel tool, PEACE, providing explanations and analysis for combating hate expressions. The goal of PEACE is not only to detect explicit and implicit hate speech, but also to explain its predictions through natural language arguments. It tackles the complex tasks of analyzing hate speech characteristics, predicting hatefulness, and providing insights into its assessments. Plus, PEACE is accessible via REST API, enhancing its usability for various applications. We are going to proceed now with the tool presentation. For the exploration part, we have the following visualization diagrams available: Sankey diagram, target frequency, and word crowds. On the right, users can select among many filters about the target, the implicitness, the hatefulness, and the datasets. You then click on the type of diagram you want and, for example, the Sankey diagram appears. Sankey diagrams display how certain target groups are associated with respect to explicit and implicit connotations. They also show the relevant topics on these two labels. Target frequency displays the distribution of the target group being attacked. Word clouds show the most frequent words associated with the selected group of messages. For the data augmentation feature of PEACE, our tool modifies existing messages to create adversarial examples, enriching existing datasets without altering the underlying hateful intent. This is achieved through several methods that are listed in this list. For example, we insert the following text: "A lot of white women are trying to create danger by drawing them into our countries." We then select the first method, called Easy Data Augmentation. We click on the Augment test and we see the new message augmented. "A lot of white women are trying to create danger by drawing them into our countries." The first method can randomly replace a word or change its order. For example, we want replace in domain expression, and here it is, the new message: "A lot of white females are trying to create danger by drawing them into our countries." In this case, the word women is changed with females, a synonym. In the PEACE pipeline, users can submit their own messages for analysis to determine if they are hateful or not. After they have submitted the message, a binary hate speech classifier, BERT, evaluates the content. This model has been fine-tuned on standard benchmarks containing implicit hate speech messages. PEACE also provides an explanation for the system's predictions. Users can select from two different large language models, Mistral and Alpaca. After making their selection and submitting the message, the results, including the probabilities for each label, are displayed directly on the user interface. So we click on the explain text and the label with its probability appears. This model takes the classifier's prediction, its probability, and the original message to generate a comprehensive explanation. This explanation is of main importance to understand the basis of the classification and to enhance the transparency of the system. In conclusion, we introduced the PEACE system, a tool designed for detecting and examining both explicit and implicit hate speech. PEACE not only classifies messages as hateful or not and identifies implicit hate speech messages, but it also provides detailed explanations for these classifications. PEACE enhances the user understanding through exploratory diagrams of message characteristics and offers 7 data augmentation strategies for subtle hate speech.